If people are landing on your product page but not buying, then that's a conversion issue that might simply narrow down to your product page. I'm going to show you the exact mistakes that can silently interfere with your conversions, and I'm going to show you how to fix them. Let's get straight into it. If you're also still deciding between which Shopify plan to choose, I do have a way that you guys can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. This deal will give you guys 3 months to explore Shopify, set up your website, and start getting orders. I'm going to put this Shopify sign-up link in the description box below. On top of that deal, you guys can save 25% off your plan every single month when you select to get an annual plan. This way you can save money every single month. I'm going to put that Shopify sign-up deal in the description box below so you can enjoy your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. First up is the mistake of forgetting to add FAQs to your product page. When customers land on your product, if they have any questions or if there's any confusion, it can be a hassle for them to have to reach out to you to ask their question about your product. This can create buyer hesitation. I'm going to show you how to add FAQs to your product page so you can answer your customers' questions and make it easier for them to know exactly what they're purchasing. I'm here inside my theme editor, and I'm going to open up an example product so that I can show you 2 different ways you can add an FAQs section. The first way to be to add your FAQs to your actual product description. This way, as customers are reading the description, you'll see those frequently asked questions. To add unique FAQs to your product descriptions, you'll want to exit your theme editor, and then on the side panel, click Products, where you can go in to open up a product. In the product description field, you can decide where you're going to place your FAQs. Then you can begin listing each of your frequently asked questions. I'm starting this section off with a title, and I'm going to put this in bold, and then I'm going to increase the size of the title text. You can also reposition the alignment of the text. If you want to save some time, you can also use AI writing tools like ChatGPT to help you write your FAQs. To make your FAQs as helpful as possible, you can add links that lead to other pages inside your website. So if customers commonly ask about the product care steps for your clothing, you can add a text line that directs them to your product care page, and then click the insert link icon, and then you can paste in the link that leads to that page. Then you want to save that product once you're done. Click Online Store, then you can open up your theme. This is where you want to open up that product to take a look at the FAQs that you just added. This can show that you value your customers' questions and you want to create a smooth shopping experience for them. The second type of way you can add FAQs would be to add a designated section to your product page. So you can click Add Section, then you can insert something like a rich text or a collapsible content section to feature your frequently asked questions. Then you can begin customizing this section, so when you click on each of the collapsible rows, you can add in your frequently asked questions in the heading field. And once you're done, you can add in your answer in the row content field. You can also customize the overall appearance of this section. And the great thing about adding a section like this to your product page, if your product pages are set to the default product page template, then that section should automatically add to all of your product pages. So here's another product, and when I scroll down, the FAQ section is on this page as well. Then when you open the homepage of your website, you can add a very similar FAQ section to your website's homepage as well. So in between sections, just click Add Section, and you can insert that same collapsible content section, and you can fill it with all of your different general store FAQs. And by the way, if you guys like this website that you see here in this video, this is a Shopify website template designed for clothing, t-shirt, and hoodie stores, and I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. It's a customizable Shopify theme, which can help you to save hours and even days of time from having to do your entire website on your own. I have a few different lines of Shopify themes for different business types, including if you have a clothing store, a jewelry or beauty store, and I have themes for many other business types. You can customize and change the colors. You can change the layout and add your own pictures to make the theme yours. It's also simple to install. On Shopify, you'll be able to click Upload a zip file, and you can upload that theme zip file straight into your store. Then you can edit it, publish it, and launch your store. And also, just so there's no confusion with the install process, each of my themes come with a step-by-step digital install guide to show you exactly how to set up and install the Shopify template into your store. No coding is required, and any products you already have on your Shopify dashboard will sync up and add to the theme. Using a premium theme allows you to have a branded and optimized website without having to do everything from scratch. I'm going to link this Shopify template in the description box below, along with where you can check out my other lines of Shopify themes. The next product page mistake is forgetting to add detailed product tags to every product that you launch. When customers are on your website and are searching for a specific type of product, you want to make sure those search results are as accurate as possible to show them the products that you have available. This way they can find exactly what they're looking for. So I'm going to show you how to add detailed tags to help your customers find exactly what they need with one search. You'll want to exit the theme editor. Then you can open up one of your products that you've launched. Scroll down on the product editing page, and then under tags, you should see the button where you can add tags for your product. Begin adding detailed tags that represent different terms that your customers would be searching to find that type of product. Customers could search a black t-shirt, or they could be searching for a short sleeve. Some customers would also search using the term wardrobe essential, if that's what they're looking for, or they might be searching by a material like cotton or spandex. Once you added your product tag, another hack is that you can use ChatGPT to help you think of more tags. So here's the prompt that I put into ChatGPT. This way, whenever you're bulk launching products, you can just have it write out all of your tags. Here's all the tags it wrote out. You probably don't need to use all of these. You can start with anywhere between 5 to 15 tags. And don't forget to save your product once you added those tags. This way you can start helping your customers find exactly what they're looking for in your website. To help organize your product inside your store, you can click on the Collections tab, which is where you can manage your different product collections and you can add products to each of your product collections. You'll also see a lot more customization options here on the Shopify side panel. And if you're new to Shopify, don't forget to open up this settings bar to see the page where you can customize all of your different store configurations and your overall store's backend settings. You also want to grab your domain here as well if you don't already have a domain. If you want an in-depth walkthrough of these different sections of Shopify, I have an 11-part Shopify walkthrough that's for beginners. I'm going to have that linked in the description box below, and it walks you through how to set up your Shopify store and get it ready for launch. The next product page mistake is forgetting to customize your product page, including your media layout, to best display your photos. It's pretty simple to do this. So inside your theme editor, you want to open up a product and then click on your product information box. It's going to open all the different editing options that you have for this section. You're going to see the media editing options. This is where you can customize the desktop media width, which will be the size appearance of the photos. So you can make them appear medium-sized or smaller. You can also customize the desktop media position for in case you would like those photos to appear on the right side or the left side of the screen on desktop devices. Then you can change the image zoom settings. So right now, if customers want to zoom into a photo, they would just click on it to zoom into the photo. You can change this to click and hover. This way they can click on the photo and zoom in without the entire page zooming in. You can also set the no zoom option if you don't need them to be able to zoom in. Then the desktop layout setting is where you can customize the layout of the photos. You can set this to 2 columns. If you wanted to have a gallery layout, you can also apply the thumbnails or the thumbnail carousel option. So here's the thumbnail carousel setting, which allows customers to see one large photo and then the additional photos beneath it. Those are some ways to customize their media appearance on your product page to best show your product photos. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.